Hi guys, this is Hero. I hope you all are doing great. I'm back today with a huge Momenta haul. Yes, so I have been on their brand ambassador team since I guess a year now, and this is something they have sent me this time. I am super duper excited to show you all what I have received, and I cannot wait to create with these beauties. So before wasting much time, let's get into it, and let me start with this ink pads. I'll just move this around so that I get some more space here. So this is what they have sent me. It's a rainbow removable wedges ink pads. You can actually remove each ink pad from here. This is super cool, all rainbow colors in just one pad. I haven't opened it yet. They have sent Artsy archival black ink. Yes, I always need this black color for stamping and stuff, and I will try this new one. And then they have sent me Momenta Ombre Ink Pad. It's kind of a greenish to bluish shade. Isn't it amazing? And look guys, I have two different colors, so it's like not two different colors but like two different shades. This is a rainbow color, and that's kind of a sea themed, a nautical themed color, or a mermaid. So yeah, these are the ink pads they have sent me. Next is this Artsy clip arts. It's a clip and a kind of a hook in the bottom to hang something. I have a wonderful thing in my mind, but I'll probably wait for a couple of posts before I create with this one. I'm going to create something baby themed with this. So yeah, that's that. And to jump into all the dies, let me just grab all the dies and then show you one by one. Yeah, so these are the dies. First is this one, cutting template. It's kind of scalloped square nested dies. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. You get 6 spaces. Okay, it's right written here. So yeah, you get this scalloped square circle scalloped square die. Next is this one. I'm super excited to use this. This is kind of a party themed, birthday, anniversary, baby, shaker, anything. These are just the banners, and you can just put acetate in front. And this is an A2 size card. Over here it has written A2 matte size. So you can make A2 size card with this, like a shaker front. And as you all know, I love to make shaker cards and shaker tags and anything with sequences. So yes, I'm going to use this. Next is this one. Hello, congrats, thank you. And it's kind of a floral square border die. I cannot wait to use this because I do have one of their love heart-shaped die, and that's an intricate die too, and that cuts very well. I only run it through my cutting machine once, and it cuts like there are no pieces left out, or you have to do it with scissors. No, it just run it through the machine once and it's done. And I hope so this cuts as well. So I will share with you guys how it cuts. Next is this. I'm super excited to use this one. It's kind of a baby palms and toes, and it says baby in here and a tiny heart. Just look guys, it's so cute. So if you are planning to take your baby's handprints or toe prints, and then you can make a kind of a this stamp in the bottom or at the top, and you can actually stamp and then cut it, the border. So there are two. Isn't it cute? So that's that. And then next is dies plus embossing folder. So it's kind of a dots, and in the stripe it says happy birthday, and these are some flowers, leaves, butterflies, some more flowers, and it's super cute. So there are 8 pieces in it. Next is this. I was waiting for this since long, maybe I guess 4 months. And so this is a like a cheetah print, if you guys know. And these are small tags, says hello, you got this, and be you beautiful. Yes, and you get 10 pieces out of it. And again, these embossing folders are A2 size, so perfect for card making. So that's that. And this one is kind of a wood grain background, and some maple leaf, some fall theme nuts. And this is, I don't know the name of this, but you get in like you get this lots and lots of them in the on the ground. So sorry, I'm just rumbling. But yeah, this is the best dies to make vintage cards or scenery cards or snow cards. This is the best one. And if you're using a wood color or a craft cardstock, oh my god, I'm going to share with you guys. So that's that. The next are the 2 stems I have received. Just look at this detailing. This is a clear A2 size stamp and kind of a pine trees. And these are going to look super awesome. And then I have received this stamp set that has uppercase letter alphabets and the lowercase. So you can mix and match and make any words you want. And guys, these are super affordable. Just look at this. It's just $2.19, so it's affordable. So that's stamps and dies. Now coming to the stickers I have received. Let me share the stickers. So I have 2 of these cat stickers. Stickers, autoplans. These are cat themed. And there are 11 stickers, and these are 3D, if you can see, they are 3D. So I got this too. I got beach theme, definitely must have. You get 20 pieces in it. Beach, alloy, ocean is calling, sail away, down by the sea. And such an amazing, you will find one of the card using this beach theme stickers on my Instagram feed. I'll probably link down in the description box. And then this one, love story. All these are 3D stickers, and this is the wood. So that's that. And then this one, enjoy life, believe, traditions, dream. Kind of a family themed or a neutral themed. Then the baby themed, of course, you will need this anytime because baby projects are always on high, adorable, and these are the colors you can use in baby girl or baby boy. So yep. Again, these are 3D and they are sparkly. So that's that. Another 3D stickers. A typewriter, you're wonderful, sewing machine, dream, hello friend, a clock, a vintage camera, and then tiny, cute sea theme stickers, underwater puffy. Yeah, they are puffy stickers. So that's that. And the next is this acetate stickers in black. I got this too. Beautiful moment, adventure, cherish, happy memories, awesome, sparkle. And then again, wood stickers, fabulous, be awesome, beautiful. You can use them in cards or albums, anything. So that's that. And these are some golden sparkly swirl stickers. Flourish, wedding theme, or any kind of projects you can use them. And lastly, coming with the paper pack. I am loving this watercolor paper pack. These are 48 designs, 8 by 8 inches. Oops. And here is the paper pack. Just look guys, these are awesome colors. Wow, look at the splatter, watercolor splatter. Wow, and this one. So yeah, this is my huge Momenta haul. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll link Momenta website. These stickers are not yet, like all this stuff is not yet on the website, but I'll link the website down below and hope you can enjoy the rest of your day. I'll come with my project share video soon. Bye for now.